In this session, let us learn about Java ArrayList. The ArrayList class is a resizable array which can be found in the Java utility packages. The difference between a built-in array and an array list in Java is that the size of an array cannot be modified. If you want to add or remove elements from an array, you have to create a new one, while elements can be added and removed from an array list whenever you want. The syntax is also slightly different. See here, create an ArrayList object called cars that will store strings. See here, import Java utility ArrayList, import the ArrayList class. Array string cars is equal to new ArrayList string. Create an ArrayList object. If you don't know what a package is, you can know more in our Java package tutorials. Add items. The ArrayList class has many useful methods. For example, to add elements to the ArrayList, use the add method. See here, now we are adding cars add. Now we are using add method here. Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. And while we write and execute this code, the result printed this. Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra was added. Access an item. To access element in the array list, use the get method and refer to the index number. See here, cars get method we are using. See here, now we are using see here get method. While we write and execute this code, the result printed. See here Tata. Remember, array index starts with 0. 0 is the first element, 1 is the second element, etc. Change an item. To modify an element, use the set method and refer to the index number. See, now we are using car set method. See, now we are replacing Opel. Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. Now we are setting Opel and modifying. See, while we write and execute this code, the result printed this. Opel, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. Tata was replaced by Opel. Remove an item. To remove an element, use the remove method and refer to the index number. See here, now we are using cars remove method. See, while we write and execute this code by using remove method, the result printed this. Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. To remove all elements in the array list, use the clear method. See, now we are in cars clear method. See here, Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. Everything cleared. See here, the result everything removed. Array list size. To find out how many elements an array list have, use the size method. See, now we are using car size method. See here, now we are using car size method. See, the result printed 4. Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. They were 4. So the 4 was printed. Loop through an array list. Loop through the elements of an array list with a for loop and use the size method to specify how many times the loop should run. See, while we write and execute this code, the result printed this. Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. They were looped. You can also loop through an array list with the for each loop. See, now we are in for each loop method. See, if you write and execute this code using for each loop method, see, the Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra was printed. Other types. Elements in array list are actually objects. In the examples above, we created elements, objects of type string. Remember that a string in Java is an object, not a primitive type. To use other types, such as int, you must specify an equivalent wrapper class, integer. For other primitive types, use boolean for boolean, character for char, double for double, etc. Create an array list to store numbers, add elements of the type integer. See, now we are using integer method, typing integer. If you write and execute this code, the result printed this. See here, 10, 15, 20, 15 was printed. Sort an array list. Another useful class in the Java utility package is in the collection class, which include the sort method for sorting lists alphabetically or numerically. Sort an array list of strings. See here, now we are using sort method. See, now we are using collections.sort. If you write and execute this code using sort method, the result printed this. Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra, Tata. Sort an array list of integers. See, now we are sorting array list integers. See here, if you write and execute this code, the result printed this. 8, 12, 15, 20, 33, 34. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 38, Java array list. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java linked list. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.